just made it to our hotel, just dropped off our luggage, and now we're gonna go find lunch before our group meets up. We're doing a 3-day tour of Alishan and Sun Moon Lake because it's just easier for us to not have to figure out transportation on a mountain. So far so good. It's 11 a.m. We made good time on the road. It is much colder here than in Taipei, so if you're planning to come up here, bring some layers. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. Our breath is gonna stink after this. We're gonna go look for some high mountain tea now.
This tea only you can see is in alishan area.
Oh. Every time you steep it, it tastes a little different. Yeah, like the second time better. Oh yeah, all the stems are attached. Wow.
And better, you can see like this one.
Oh.
This one. In Mandarin we say 100 leaf, ximengding. Yeah.
So nice, and they gave us 2 bottles of cold brewed tea too. We're at a 7-Eleven and look at the chip bags. They're all fully blown and ready to burst because of the high altitude here. We did not appropriately pack, so we're looking for some warmer clothing now. We have so many stamps here. Are you ready for this? That's crazy. How do they make that into a stamp? Alright, next one. Wow. That's honestly incredible. Alright, last one.
Right, they said there's 4.
There is 4. I already stamped one. This one shows you the date. Wow. That is
very cool.
So cool. Dropping off our stuff at the hotel, and then we're off to the forest recreation area. That is interesting. Got Nemo and Dory behind me. We spent about 3 hours walking around the recreational area, which was super informative and really nice. We're grabbing a very quick dinner and then we're off to see some fireflies. Room tour. This is way better than the place we booked in Chiayi. This is our alishan hotel, and I think they upgraded it for us because we got 2 queen-size beds here. The washroom is spacious.
Oh, that's real nice.
Yeah, and it smells really good in here. We thought it would be like very musty because it's a very humid area in Alishan. It's a pretty nice view.
You know, I want to see Mount Fuji.
The sunrise train leaves at around 4:20 on the train station, and our hotel is luckily very close by. Our hotel staff recommended that we go about half an hour earlier to avoid the lineups. It is only about 10 degrees out right now. Anticipated to get pretty chilly. Oh, the moon! This is a beautiful train station. Station was back there, but instead we're heading down this trail, pretty much an incline for 15 minutes, and then it's going to be the nicest viewing platform. Not as many tourists as I thought there would be for a sunrise this beautiful. Absolutely stunning here. On the way back, there's much less of an incline.
You ran it back.
Out of all the mountain sunrises I've seen, this is actually the warmest one at like 9 degrees. However, 9 is still pretty chilly, so we're gonna go get some coffee. Oh yeah, for anyone wanting to come see the sunrise, there's a sunrise observation area right at the station, but it's only like 180-degree view versus the one at the top of the mountain is panoramic. It's definitely a trek, but I think it took us like less than 10 minutes to climb up there, even with the incline. Definitely doable. Hello. Oh, you're cutie. Never mind.
He's scratching his bum.
Sorry for invading your privacy. Oh. We were trying to walk to the giant tree trail, rerouted 3 or 4 times, still ended up on the wrong trail, but we do get to see this really nice view. It's a very cramped space in this elevator, okay? We are checking out now. So from Alishan to Sun Moon Lake is about 2.5 hours, and luckily we're the only ones taking this trip today. I think everyone else in our group is either staying or going off on their own today. Oh my gosh, this place is awesome. This is like a wine house, and we're in like a little town where wine is like their specialty. Oh my god. Oh yeah. What? Oh my, wait.
It looks like you.
Our tour guide is super friendly. He's taking us on a food tour throughout the store. Just got dropped off right outside Sun Moon Lake. It is so hot down here. It's like 30 degrees. We have a couple hours here to roam, and we're thinking we want to do the cable car. Look at the color of that water. Oh my god. The good thing about a tour is we already got our tickets, so we can go straight to the boats. There's basically 3 points that the boats can take you to, and between A, B, and C, C is where most of the food is, and it's also where the cable cars are, so I think we're gonna head there right now. Wow, the color of this water. Looks like there's a lot of really good restaurants around here. Thankfully, we picked one with really good air conditioning. Very hot right now, and our bamboo rice just arrived.
So open this. Nice. And then we open this one.
That smells so good. We also found out that there are peanuts in here, so Tom got plain rice instead. This area is known for their red tea and their mushrooms. Unfortunately, the veggies keep coming up one by one, and so I'm almost done my rice, and we finish each of the dishes one after the other. Absolutely demolish this. Mochi is apparently very popular. Lots of stores selling wine. We're looking for something to drink or potentially a dessert. Tom spotted a tea shop here. Tea 18. Everything is black tea themed here. Egg rolls are very popular. Are you a fan?
I'm a fan.
Bubble tea is okay. Tea flavor not as strong as the ice cream. We do want to go buy some red tea somewhere, but since there's so many shops selling it, we're just gonna try and compare prices. This is nice. Wow. They got the swan boats here as well. We're going to ride the cable cars over there, but to get there is quite a walk, so we're trying to allocate our time effectively. Our driver did tell us that it would be pretty quiet on weekdays, but we're really not seeing that many people at all. We might be able to get cable cars all to ourselves now. We got our tickets. I think we got scammed because we bought them right when we got off the boat instead of here, and I think it might be cheaper here, but it's okay, it's whatever. Wow. We're luckily the only ones in our cable car because everyone else is lining up for the one with a clear floor. But since I'm a scaredy cat that doesn't like heights, we just got a regular cabin and there was no line at all. Wow. What a view. It looks like we plateaued, but like there's a whole other strip left. So how far away is this observation deck actually?
Wait.
Because like we're going so far from the lake now, you can't even see it.
Maybe that was the observation.
There's no way.
It might have been.
Just through the chair right now. Look at that drop all the way down.
Oh man.
Yeah, sucks. We just asked the person and there is no like observation deck or final destination. There is another cable car that takes you to an amusement park, which we don't really want to do. So we're probably just gonna take a loop around and do the return trip now. Jeez. It's a huge temple. So we just got dropped off at our inn. It's so cozy and cute. Look at it. Our room is actually in like a house that's not connected to this building. We have a little terrace area here, and then our room is down these stairs. This is definitely the most unique room we've been in so far this trip. It's very cottage-like. Very unique headboard here, also made of wood. A cute little balcony. I don't think you can go out because the wood is sort of rotting there, but Still very cute. Bathroom is unique. There's no shower door area. It's just like out here in the open. We're at a sheep farm right now. It's got a little bit of a scent to it, very characteristic of sheep, and there are a lot here. Tom is a little allergic to most animals with fur, so we're just gonna quickly stroll through here. To walk down to the central area is about like a 40-minute walk, and the way to get there is through a skywalk. And as you know, I am very scared of heights. However, the views around here are honestly unreal. Everywhere you look, it's just mountains. You can see a windmill all the way in the distance as well. Apparently on weekends they do sheep shearing shows here. Heard some mixed things about it though, kind of controversial. I feel like it's probably not super ethical either in the way they treat these sheep. Okay, this view at the skywalk is pretty amazing. It extends all the way from up top, down here, all the way down there. Entered the small Swiss garden, and the guy from 7-Eleven, the mascot, is here. Got a bunch of little creatures all around. There's no one else here, which on one hand feels nice that we have it all to ourselves, but also feels kind of like it's abandoned. A little bit creepy, just a little bit creepy. Caramel hazelnut. This one's matcha pistachio. Dark chocolate 52% pistachio.
Capricorn is the jasmine green tea.
Jasmine green tea? Wow, they smell really fresh too. The restaurant owner recommended that we get this vegetable that wasn't even on the menu. She said it was freshly picked.
I don't know if I had this before.
Me neither. Wow. We ordered this like set menu, which was I think that equals 45 Canadian for two of us. Like, we got so much chicken. We just got back to Taipei. Tom saw a girl walking around our hotel with a bag from this brand called Net. And so he Googled it and now he wants to go. So that's gonna be our first stop. While Tom wants to go shopping for clothes, I am in the market for a bubble tea. This was only $2.50. Wow. That's almost as good as the bubble tea we had in Chai. We have Net. Right next to Net is Ximengding, so this is a very popular shopping street, and nearby is the night market that's going to open in a couple minutes. This is also only $3.50, by the way. There's a line for this fried bun place. They served us super quickly. We got a pork and cabbage, and then also pork and scallions, and then also a cabbage and mushrooms.
Near the bottom.
Wow, nice. Oh yeah, by the way, we're in line for donuts.
Top is fluffy, inside's juicy, bottom's crispy.
We've been waiting here a couple minutes. They just came out with a fresh batch of whatever that is, but we are definitely getting that.
Look at that, that looks crazy. It's hella crispy.
Wow, they did good with the sugar around. Super crispy on the outside and perfectly sweet. Texture is like fluffy. It's kind of like milk bread in a way. Or like milk donut, you know? Yeah, you gotta try this all the time.
That's really good.
Yeah.
Wow.
I'm glad we got it like fresh.
Wow, that's really good. Super crispy on the outside. Not too oily though. And the inside is fluffy and like chewy. I'm a fan. Big fan.
Yeah. How are these? They're so cool. There's like, skewers are so cute. The store is absolutely massive. Look how many rings they have. That's not all. And that's not all. Holy moly. I found this jumbo claw clip. I've been looking for one for a while that wasn't super overpriced. This is $6 Canadian. Guess who is feeling much less hot because it is nighttime, but also because I'm wearing the claw clip now. Tom goes where the line goes. Saved this place. I was like, maybe it'll be a little too hot because it is 30 degrees, but he saw the line and he was like, all right, I'm convinced, let's get it. Wow. We got this within 5 seconds of ordering. They were so fast with it. They also got stations. If you want to add anything extra there, it's right there.
You like it?
Based on everyone eating it around us, I really thought it would have been better. I mean, the texture is like okay. The broth is okay. I don't think they'll be going out of business anytime soon. They just won't be earning my business.